Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.3, Problem 6. This is Section 3.3, Problem 6. It says, without doing any actual computation, determine which of the following is the best estimate for the problem shown. And we have 160 point something plus 39 point something plus 97 point something, and we have 4 options. Which one is the best estimate? Well, this is pretty close to 160 plus 40, ignoring some of the decimals. That's going to get us fairly close to 200. 160 plus 40 is close to 200. And then we have to add the 97. Well, 200 plus 97 is 297. Or you can assume the 97 is pretty close to 100. 200 plus another 100 is very close to 300, which is one of the options. So if you do that math exactly with the decimals, the answer that you get will be fairly close to an answer of 300. Not exactly 300, but pretty close.